I think this is the first I've ever heard of something like this happening. So, this happened in Utah, where you had a Sunday service and 50 Mormons, over 50 Mormons, suffered carbon monoxide poisoning during service. Wow. I guess we're about to see anything happen in these last days, for real. So let's get into it. So, over 50 members at a Utah Mormon congregation suffered symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning during a service this weekend. At least 54 members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter day Saints Meeting House in Monroe, Utah, reported symptoms, according to NBC News, though only 49 required treatment. The church says it suspected a malfunction with the building's heating system was to blame. Wow. Church officials say the building will remain closed until they have confirmed the issue is fixed. We are concerned for the well being of everyone impacted, are praying for their recovery, the church said in a statement, adding that it is working to support medical and other expenses. Specific details about the symptoms from Sunday's incident were not forthcoming, but at least 22 people were hospitalized immediately after the service. Problems began when a 4-year-old girl reported breathing problems, followed by a man who began to feel sick, and a third person who reported a headache after leaving the building, according to NBC. Mm. Ultimately, the local fire department was called and they confirmed the carbon monoxide leak and ordered an evacuation. I mean, don't they get maybe not. I was just wondering, when you have buildings like that, do you get the heater inspected? I mean, they are lucky they didn't lose people. So, the sheriff's office in Monroe stated that the local first responders did not have enough ambulances to transport all of the people reporting symptoms. And so, units from nearby counties were called in, according to NBC. Church officials have not announced when they expect the building to be usable again. Wow. I've heard of fires breaking out. I've heard of a lot of things happening, but I have never, I don't think in my lifetime, heard about a congregation getting carbon monoxide poisoning during service. Um, thanks to Bishop Whitehead, we've seen him get robbed on live stream. We've seen some crazy things over the years, but yeah, this one is definitely a first. You know, y'all, we are about to see many things in this coming year that we never seen before. So this is one of many stories to come, for real. But please tell me what you think about this story. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.